Smooth 91.5, Elton John, and goodbye Yellow Brick Road. Well, goodbye Monday from me, basically. That would be it for another edition of the More Music Breakfast Show. Thanks very much for taking some time out to spend it with us. It's gratifying, to say the least. What would also be, of course, truly gratifying is $66,100. Ty Frost has that, hopefully waiting for you with Smooth Stars. If it doesn't go off this time round, don't worry. We'll keep playing all through the workday, and every time we play, the money goes up. On the way soon, some great music, including Chris Isaac, Christopher Cross, and even Peggy Lee here at Smooth. See ya.
Smooth 91.5, the More Music Breakfast Show. Smooth 91.5.
Hey, it's Richo here. The Sage Institute of Massage Open Day is your first step towards an exciting career in massage. Talk to lecturers, see the massage clinic in operation, talk